Hello everyone, welcome back to the Awesome Link channel. Today I'm back here with some of the questions of the users which they have been asked, which smartwatch do they can prefer under the budget of 30,000 approx or 25,000. So I would say you have two option. Either you are an iPhone user or you are a non-iPhone user. So if you are an iPhone user, I would definitely recommend you with an Apple Watch, because the look, the durability, the features, the long lasting of the device of the smartwatch you will be getting in an iPhone, no other brand can provide you, I am sure, because the iPhone quality and the fitness of those watch tracker and the application watch they have been providing in their watch, it's I think that's brilliant. And the watch you are seeing in my hand is the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier watch, and I have been using this since last 30 plus days, or you can say the 2 months has done of this uses of the watch which I have been using. And I would recommend these as well, because this watch, the market price in the India is around 28,500, and in the sale I have got this watch around 16,100 rupees. And if I talk about the price in Amazon, it's showing 19,000 approx. So under 20,000 or 22,000 you'll be getting this Samsung S3 Frontier watch. So if you're getting this, I would recommend this one, because the durability, the features, the other quality I've been getting, calling from watch, the talking from the watch, you can directly talk, you can directly control your camera of the phone from here, the navigation option, the lots of all the required necessaries in your daily life will be available directly on your hand, means on the wrist. You do not need to go to your phone or take out your phone from your pocket and check these. You can directly reply on WhatsApp, you can reply on email, hi, SMS, make directly call from here. All the features available just on the click and the swipe options. You can directly call from here, directly SMS from here. So you can, I would recommend these as well, but there are a few others as well, like Fossil, Explorist, Asus ZenWatch, and many other as well has been there. So I would recommend these as the second priority, because I am not sure about the quality and the build quality of those watches, because the Fossil watch I have been gone through the reviews on the online, and that is not pretty much, many of them are waste of money. It's not use or up to not mark. I'm not just giving the negative points of those brand, but on the personal use of this watch I would recommend you can go for it. And I have been using and in the roughly uses in my daily life, and it's quite enough for me, because I have not found any drawback yet, and it's working very fine. And it's the daily uses like running, walking, and this is also water resistant, dust resistant. You do not need to worry, you just need to clean with a cloth and that's it, you are done. And while washing in hand, I'm also not caring what the water droplets are coming or not, because it's water resistant. It's IP68 certified, so I'm using. And this firstly there's a warranty and the service is good of the Samsung, and as we know Samsung already deals with the better technology. So I would recommend Samsung to go with the first for getting an option, and if not, then you can go with the Asus ZenWatch that comes under around 10,000. There are the Asus ZenWatch 2, you can go with the Fossil Explorist digital watch, you can go with the Fitbit one, Fossil Minimalist, that is around 9,400 approx something. So there are a couple of watches as well. And Huawei as well has been entered in the market since long very time. You can also recommend those as well. It totally depends on your uses, what features. If you are a gym seek guy, you need to your fitness, your sleeping, then you can go with the simple band, MI band as well. But if you want all the notification, you can reply, you can call, you can talk, heart rate monitor if you want. And the Samsung Galaxy, the latest version, the Galaxy watch comes with the, I guess they are giving us the quality to feedback of the, you can check your stress level as well. You can calculate your stress. I think that's great as well. You can check your stress level, heart rate monitor. So but that is quite heavy in range. So I would recommend under 30,000, if you are an iPhone user, just go with the iPhone Apple Watch. And if you are an Android user, you can recommend, because the best deal I would recommend Samsung Gear S3. In the durability, you will not be getting any other watches, I'm sure about it, because I have not seen the reviews. And the band, the wristband you are getting, it's quite very elastic and it's durable. You can twist it, you can roll it, but it's nowhere has been stretched or nowhere any cut has been monitored here. So you can go with the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier and other uses as per your budget. Thank you for watching.